Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. I'm here to help guide you through the Motor Strength Assessment. What is a motor strength assessment? The motor strength tool is used to evaluate the strength of different muscle groups in the body. The motor strength scale assesses muscle strength on a scale of 0 to 5, with 0 being no muscle movement and 5 being normal strength. This tool can determine if there is any weakness or loss of muscle function, which may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Assessing muscle strength is essential in diagnosing and treating various conditions such as neurological disorders, musculoskeletal injuries, and recovery after surgery. There are multiple healthcare professionals who can use the scale, including physical therapists, doctors, general physicians, and more. How to use a motor strength test. The first step is to outline all essential patient information. You'll then need to complete tests for both the right and left side for all muscle groups listed. The final step is to tally the scoring and add notes about the interpretations listed. To use an example of a sample assessment of the motor strength scale, feel free to visit our website at carepatron.com where you can access it for free. You can access the template via our website and through our platform by filtering by community as well as by assessments or notes. Type in the keyword motor strength to find the relevant note faster.